I just realized I'm even more bougie than I thought I was. We just like need to take a moment of silence. Bigger the hoop, bigger the heart. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Chayla for those of you who are new. Today I'm filming a iconic video that I film every single year that everyone just loves watching from me. And that is a what I got for Christmas video. So today is December 25th, Christmas. If you didn't know, you probably did. Actually, you should. But anyways, it is Christmas and I'm just going to be showing you guys everything that I got for Christmas this year. In no way, shape, or form I am bragging about anything. I'm 100% grateful for everything that I got. Honestly, did not expect half of this, but yeah, just want to give that little disclaimer. I just love filming these videos and I like watching these videos because I'm really nosy and I like seeing what other people got. So, want to get that point across real quick. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel down below. Also, like and comment this video. It helps me grow. Literally, you can just say hey and I'll respond back to hey. Also, follow me on Instagram at chalaperry. And without further ado, let's get started with the what I got for Christmas video. That was so weird, but let's go. Okay, so I'm not going to go around and say like who got me what because honestly, I don't remember all of that. So this is just like a collective from the fam thing. So yeah, the first thing I got is some Nikes. I am so excited for these. These look so good. I've been trying to find a pair of Nikes that I want to wear because I wear Nikes to work and I wear out Nikes very fast. But these are just, we just like need to take a moment of silence. These are so cute. So they're just black and white. I love black and white Nikes, and these are the Air. So actually, let's see what these are called. Nike Air Max Motion 2. I'm so excited. These are sick. Another thing that I got is just some more fuzzy slippers. When I tell you these are the softest things in the entire world, I'm not even being dramatic. This is like a cloud. These are so soft, so comfortable. I think these came from Target. Yeah, they came from Target and it's the Stars Above. So that brand. I cannot wait to put these on. I'm actually about to put them on right now because they're so good. Okay, so the next thing that I got is some makeup brushes. Like, it wouldn't be me if I didn't have something makeup related. So I got some makeup brushes. And it also comes with a little stand to hold it. Probably not going to use the stand because I have nowhere to put that, but I'm really excited. I always need more makeup brushes. If you guys know me, makeup is literally my life, so definitely needed some of that. Another thing that I got is a water pick, which is a water like flosser. I actually was going to buy this for myself. I just really did not feel like spending the money on it, but I was going to do it eventually. Just like, yeah, never got around to doing it, so I actually got gifted one and I'm really excited because I've had braces, I have retainers right now, and I can never floss underneath my retainer. If you have a permanent retainer, you know the struggle. So got this, really excited to use it, and it's cordless. Maybe I might do a little review on it, and yeah, because homegirl hates flossing, and yeah, so since I don't have to floss, I can just use that instead. That'll be perfect for me. Another thing that I got is a planner. I really wanted a planner. It's really cute. And I got this planner for a different reason. So typically I would get a planner for school, but I'm getting a planner all for social media and YouTube and just maybe just random stuff I have to do during the day, but mainly for like YouTube stuff. I'm not going to talk too much in depth about it, but I do have a lot of YouTube goals and just social media goals and just life goals, entrepreneurship goals, stuff like that that I want to achieve. And I'm also going to be having a YouTube and like uploading schedule, so I want to just be able to plan everything up here on here and be held accountable and honestly just plan out my life. The next thing that I got is a lighter and a candle. So if you guys saw my Christmas wish list video, I talked about I wanted a candle. I got some candles and it comes in this cute little holder. It came from Bath and Body Works, which, not gonna lie, I wouldn't have got it from Bath and Body Works because that's a little expensive, but I'm excited for this candle. And it is the Vanilla Snowflake. Like I said, I love anything vanilla. It smells so good. So I cannot wait to burn this. The next things I'm going to show you guys is some clothes. I'm not going to show you guys all the clothes just because that's a lot, but I will show you guys a few pieces. So the first thing I got is a new North Face. Everyone knows I love my black and brown North Face. They might be out of style, but honestly they're never out of style for me. I love them. So I got a gray one. So cute, so soft and cozy and perfect for me. Oh yeah, I got a lot of jackets. I'm really cold all the time, so yeah, I have a lot of jackets. But I have this jacket. You can't really tell what they look like, so like I'll show you like in Instagram pictures, but I got another jacket, this blue teal color that will look so cute. That one actually came from Target. I have this windbreaker, which is all black and hot pink detailing. I think this is so cute, and it's actually a cropped windbreaker, so it stops like right at like the waistline, so I really think this is so cute. Okay, so the next thing that I got is a new camera bag. So I got this one. This is actually the same brand as the camera bag that I previously have. It is just a low pro camera bag. Everything that I could possibly think of can go in here. So yeah, it's very spacious. And some other things that I actually got. So I don't have AirPods. Honestly, I'm not a fan of having AirPods. I don't want AirPods. I'm not on that trend, nor do I want to be on that trend. So honestly, I just wanted a regular pair of headphones, so I just like got some regular headphones. Like literally, I just didn't want any. My sister has them. I just don't want them. But I also got an external hard drive. Like I said, I was also going to buy this myself. I've had it in my Amazon cart so many times. I don't know why. I'm just like a very procrastinator. I'm very procrastinator. I procrastinate a lot. That's better. I procrastinate a lot when it comes to buying things because I don't want to buy things. But I got an external hard drive. So I'm really excited for that. I'm actually going to start using that like today when I edit this video. So I'm really excited that I have this. The next few things is just some jewelry. So the first thing I got is from Brooks & York. So if you saw was it my last year's video? Or maybe like 2 years ago, I unboxed something from Brooks & York, and it was a necklace, which is still my favorite necklace. This necklace is actually still the same. It's made the same, it just doesn't have a C on it, but this is just what it looks like. So it clamps in the front, which I always thought is like the perfect piece of jewelry for me, especially with my nails. I cannot put anything on. So I love this necklace. It's not real gold, so it is going to turn. That's essentially the real reason why I got another one, is because my previous one turned, and yeah. But I just love it. Honestly, I want to work with them, and yeah. So if you guys are not following Brooks & York, go follow them. Tell them I sent you, and tell them like to do a collab with me, because I literally am obsessed with their jewelry. This is already my second piece that I got from them. These earrings from Target. Honestly, I want to say like I picked these out with her there, but maybe I didn't. But they're just some fake pearls, but they're just so cute. I love them. I used to wear things like this all the time in high school, but yeah, I love them, especially putting them on my bottom hole. Yeah, really like these. Another thing that I got is just a necklace with my name. Really cute, and yeah, everybody knows I like my hoop earrings. Typically I wear gold hoop earrings, but this is a pair of silver hoop earrings, real silver, and yeah, so I did not take them out the pack, but we all love a hoop. Bigger the hoop, bigger the heart. Thought I was gonna say something else, but I didn't. Else I got is 3 bangles, which I think is actually really cute. One is like a silver color, the other one is gold, the other one is more of like a rose gold bronzy color. Each one, oh, and they also have like little, it's like tied in a knot, and then it also has the charm, and so each one has a different letter and it spells out my initials. One has a C for Chila, the one has a G for my middle name, and a P. So I think these are really cute. Wear them all like this, I think is really, really cute. That's sick. Like I really do like that. Also got some scents from Bath & Body Works. That is always a good gift for anybody. So this is just some hand sanitizer, and is their sugared lemon hand sanitizer. And with Corona going around, that is, like I said, the best gift you can give somebody right now. And then I also just have some fragrance spray, which they also have really good sprays. And this is just the Pretty as a Peach scent. And low-key, it smells like heaven. That really does smell good. I'm also really excited about this next gift. So if you guys saw from my last what I got for Christmas video, I got some booties that Laura DIY also had from Target. But I guess mine are like worn out, because I wear them literally every single day when I'm not wearing real shoes. So I got another pair, but these are like an upgrade. This is like a bougie pair. These didn't come from Target, I don't think. These are No Sweat Comfort memory foam booties. Memory foam. Let's just appreciate the memory foam part. But they look literally identical. These are so cute. That is everything that I got for Christmas. As I said before, it's not all about the gifts, but about just spending time with your family. Happy, healthy, loved, everything like that. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you guys like videos like this and want to see more content of me. The new year is right around the corner, and I am 100% dedicated to making this the best channel possible. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time for another video. Bye guys.